Hello, everybody. I'm back. Today, we're gonna reply to a question that many of you, many members, have been telling me, asking me. And in particular, I would like to mention Skycharter that described in detail this request. That is, how can I control my favorite lesson or trainer I can find in YouTube without removing my hands from my guitar, from my bass, from my instruments? It can be done, right? After the intro, I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, as explained, it can be useful for many of us to control our videos, our favorite videos, without having to remove our hands from our guitar. Of course, in this case, maybe we want to replicate many times the specific passage, so it would be fantastic to have the possibility using our favorite pedal board to move back and forth in the video, select a specific session that we want to loop, if possible. That's also something. Or in any case, pause and restart in order to look at it piece by piece. So it's normal when you learn it, when you learn online, when you learn from a trainer, to have this kind of request. It is possible. Today I'm going to show you how to do it using the M-Vave Chocolate, our favorite pedal board, favorite because it's very inexpensive and normally it's working very well. You have seen this pedal board in many of my videos on the channel because I've been using it as an interface for controlling applications, in particular for NUX Mighty devices and so on. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the official software supplied by M-Vave to get the purpose we have been describing at the beginning. But of course, there are other possibilities, so stay tuned because in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do it using other tools that are, I would say, more flexible than this, has less limitation and are compatible with many more websites possible. So, for example, if you would like to use Guitar Tricks or anything like this, just in guitar or so, you will see that that solution is working like a charm also for that possibilities, and also as another advantage compared to this, I'm gonna explain you in the next part of the video. You may see the screen on my desktop. Why? Because the official support by M-Vave is using a Chrome plugin, a Google Chrome plugin that shall be compatible also with Microsoft Edge, because you know they use the same engine, so they should be able to share the same plugins. So if a plugin is working in one of those, it's also working on the other one, so you just need to try it. I tried with Edge on my Windows computer and it worked. Now I have my Mac here, so I'm going to show you on that one. But in any case, it's possible to obtain that result on our computer. First of all, let's download the software we will be using, in particular the plugin provided by M-Vave officially. Of course, you may remember that at the bottom of the M-Vave Chocolate there is a QR code that is pointing to a website. But now you see I'm on a desktop computer, I'm on my Mac, because the system I'm going to show you is based on a plugin that is compatible with Chrome and any other software that can use Chrome plugins like Microsoft Edge or so, and need to be downloaded and is working on your computer. So today I'm going to show you something that is working on a computer, not on mobile devices for the moment. For that, stay tuned for the next part of the video that is going to come up the following week. So for the moment, let's see. Okay, looking at the link from QR code is not so practical, but the link is very easy, honestly speaking. You should see it scrolling at the bottom of the screen. In any case, it's very simple. You just need to write it in www.qwave.com/app download. You see the address up there. You can load it. Here you will find all the software officially supplied by M-Vave. So Cube Suite app for computer that can be used to configure the pedal. Today I'm not gonna use this one because on my Mac I have some troubles because the app as a strange source is not recognized happily by by Mac after for Sonoma and most recent versions, so I'm not able to use this one today. I will be using my smartphone for that. In any case, if you scroll down, there are the mobile apps. Here you can download the Android app I will be using today, and you can have a look at other videos like Guitar 4 in my channel to give to see in detail how to use this one, how to install it, how to pair your Chocolate. But then have a look at the last link you can find, that is Chocolate Extend. This is a plugin for Chrome that you can download, so just press download to to download it. Okay, we have this one. If you are using a Windows computer, feel free to download also the Cube Suite app that can be used, as I said, to configure the modality for this for the pedal to work. I'm going to show you that in using my smartphone. Sorry, there was something right strange. Okay, now it's time to configure the our pedal board. So how can we do it? In my case, as I said, I'm going to use my smartphone, so I'm going to show you the screen on my smartphone. I'm opening the Cube Suite app as we did in the past, just turning on the M-Vave Chocolate, then make sure that it is paired with and it has been already paired with my smartphone. Again, if you want details about these steps, please have a look at the Guitar 4 video in the same channel. Press the link. What is important now is to select as modality video control. That is the officially supported system that is interfacing with the with the Chrome plugin. You see the description. A, B, C, D are the 4 buttons described. They are used for quick back, fast forward, play pause, and loop playback, the last one. And of course, it is also said that you need to install the Chrome browser extension that we are gonna look in a moment. So doing this, done this, you can just detach it from detach the foot control from the smartphone, and I can hide my smartphone because it's already done. Let's have a look at the screen. It should say AD. That is that shows that is this is the video mode. Now it's time to pair it to our computer, because for the moment we just connected it. I temporarily connected it to my smartphone to configure it, but of course I want to link it to my computer. So let's have a look. If you have like myself, if you have as a Mac, but in any case for Windows it's exactly the same. You just need to open Bluetooth in configuration. So you should see a screen like this. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. It is looking for nearby devices. Of course, now you see that sometimes you can have troubles like this, that the pedal board light is not flashing because it is still convinced to be connected to the. You see that it has been already connected. Let me show you from the beginning. If I disconnect it, oh sorry, I wanted to forget this one. Yeah, just to show you from the beginning how to do it. If you're looking, it will appear as full control. You just need to press connect. For Windows, you have exactly the same steps to follow, and now the system is connected, and it also shows you what is the status of the battery. So it is correctly connected to the device. Okay, this way it has been paired in this modality to our system. So let me close this and get again the focus to Chrome. What you're gonna do now is install the Chrome plugin, and we can do it looking at where we downloaded it. In my case, it's in the Finder. This way, this one. Let me check. You will find something like this: chocolateextend.zip. Double clicking in my Mac, create a folder, and you see the content of the folder. The content of the folder is The main extension, this one, that is in a subfolder named Chocolate Extend. There are also some instructions in Chinese and luckily also in English. If you open the instructions, you will be welcomed by this. There are some pictures, some ways to look at, it shows you step by step what I'm going to show you for the installation of the plugin. As the plugin is not in the Chrome official store for plugins, you will need to make to do a sort of workaround. In any case, just click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Oh, sorry, just a moment. Let me hide for the moment the picture of the M-Vave, otherwise you cannot see what I'm doing. So press the three dots on the top right corner, press extensions, manage extensions, very easy. This way we are welcomed by this one. Activate developer mode in the top right corner of the screen. Let's turn it on. Otherwise, you will always be able to install plugins from the official website. You cannot install a plugin that you have in your local system. So press load unpacked in the top. Sorry, I don't know if you could see it. So it's here in the top left corner. Press load unpacked. You will be welcomed by the your standard file browser. So search for the download. It says okay, retry. Load unpacked. I need to go in here. Okay, extension loaded. Let me repeat for a moment what happened. When you select load unpacked, you are looking for example, I'm in downloads. If I double click to a folder, the extension installer for Chrome is looking for a manifest file inside that folder. If I double click this one, for example, it gives me this error because in that folder the manifest is not present. But if I press retry, if I press cancel and try again, now it's starting inside that folder. And instead, the manifest file here inside here. Okay, let me try and show you this in the Finder. You see, now we are in this one. The file the system is looking to is this one, manifest.json. So you need to select the very folder that contains that file. In the first try, I selected the top folder. In this one, there is not a manifest. I need to select the subfolder. It's a little tricky, I understand. Just try a couple of times and it should be easy. On many Windows computer, when you select the folder, there is in the installer. So looking at again, sorry, let me open again Chrome. When you select it, it will you see there is a button like select. This way you can select the folder. So both Mac and Windows are a little tricky because on Mac, if I double click on a folder, it's selected immediately. On Windows, if I double click in a folder, the system goes into the folder, but it never selects it. So on Mac, when I select the root folder, I have an error. I need to try again and select, double clicking, the subfolder Chocolate Extend. In Windows, if I double click on the top folder, I go inside here. If I double click again to Chocolate Extend, it will not work because it will go inside the folder and never stop this activity. You need to highlight the folder and press select on Windows computers. And this way it works. I know it's not fantastic, it's not very clear, but this is due to Google Chrome. It's not a problem due to the plugin. In any case, the plugin has been installed and you can tell it from this. You see that it appeared in the list of installed extension. I have just a few, and it can be activated or deactivated. So now we were able to install the plugin and we are ready to test it in our favorite website. So let's recap for a moment what we did. We installed the plugin in Chrome. We paired our sorry, I just wanted to show you again. So we paired our M-Wave Chocolate pedal to our computer. This way it can be used to control it. It is configured as video mode according to the instruction provided by M-Wave themselves. Now we would like to see how it works. Let's start from the official one, so from YouTube, for example. If I load, I don't know, a Justin Guitar trainer, for example, why not? You may remember that, okay, let's see this one, a shape barre chord. Of course, I will, so let me skip. Oh, sorry for the ads. I'm gonna skip them in a moment. So just a little patience. As usual, let's skip it. You see, I removed the audio because otherwise it will overlap to my system. So I just wanted to let you see how it can work. So, for example, let me resize for a moment. This way, you should be able to see better what is happening without the overlap of the M-Wave picture. Okay, let's do like this. You see that the video is rolling. If I make it work like this, for example, cinema modality, let's have the focus on the right window. You need to select the Chrome window for this to work, because the pedal is used as a simulator of keyboard. You see that if I press the third button, C, the video stops. There is a pause button that appears. If I press again, the play reappears. And also I can press the A and B to move back some seconds, to move forward some seconds. But the most interesting one is I can play, and then I can press the last one to set a loop. Loop begins at 1 minute and 08. Let's have a look at the top right corner. It tells it. When I press it again, I define where the loop stops. So the system, the video will loop between 1 minute and 08 and 1 minute and 17 over and over until I'm telling it. Look here, for example, if I reduce it again, you should see that we have the timing scrolling here. You see, 112, 115. At 117, it will return back to the previous, to 108. So it is scrolling over and over and repeating over and over the section. That is fantastic for us to train. Of course, if I press again loop, the loop limits disappear and the video will go on normally without interruption, without other system. This is very helpful, and it can work with a lot of video. Virtually, it could work with any application, any website that use the YouTube format for pressing video. I have to tell you, alternate experiences. Sometimes I was lucky, sometimes I was less lucky. And in particular, for example, I use a lot guitar tricks. That is one of my favorite. I learned playing guitar using this system. But you see, if I go here, for example, I started this video and I press one of the buttons, it can work, but I must be sure that the focus is on the video. If I click somewhere else, it is just scrolling and going on. But in any case, if I select the video, it can work. It can play, I can stop, I can move back and forth of some seconds. The only thing as I'm not able to see working is loop. Loop is not working here. In YouTube, instead it is working. So if you're looking at trainer's lesson in YouTube, everything is working like a charm, as expected. You just need to install the plugin and have fun with that. Many videos are recognized partially, like in this case, because some of them are not working exactly as expected. And so it is, you need to try. You can test your favorite app, your favorite one. And this was supposed to show you how we can do this thing on our computer, on our system. But please stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you a different approach that still uses our M-Vave Chocolate pedal, but can also work with any other pedal, because the method I've been showing you today is working for M-Vave pedal with the official apps, with the official plugin, and so it's working only with this Bluetooth pedal in this configuration. Instead, next time, in the, let's say, the virtual second part of this video, I'm gonna show you an alternative, something that can work on computer, but also on your mobile systems, like your tablet, your smartphone, iPhone, Android, whatever, using, yeah, a Wave Chocolate pedal, but also any other MIDI or external pedal, keyboard or control system you can use, because it can be configured as we have been doing, for example, for the control of NUX Mighty devices. So my strong suggestion is stay tuned for that. So I finished even for today. I hope that you found this helpful. I hope I replied to Skycharter and other friends' question. In any case, feel free to ask me for additional explanations, to make it more clear if for some reason I was not able to explain something in enough or in a sufficiently clear way. Please give comments, leave questions. I will reply as soon as I can. Also, if you if you believe that this was helpful, other videos are helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell. This way you're not gonna lose any of the contents I'm gonna upload in the next weeks and months. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I hope you have fun, and see you next time. Bye bye.